Welcome to another video from Form Director. In this video, we'll introduce you to Response Manager, a powerful tool for managing your form responses with ease. Let's begin. Let's take a look at the services available in Response Manager. 1. Search. 2. Sort. 3. Edit. 4. Clone. 5. Delete. 6. Reprocess. To access Response Manager, after opening Form Director, click on Menu, then Tools, and finally, click on Response Manager, and wait for the Response Manager dialog to load. Once you've accessed Response Manager, you'll see all your submitted responses on the Response Manager dialog. You can refresh your form responses at any time by clicking the refresh icon. To sort your responses based on the submission time, click the arrow icon. Need to find specific responses quickly? You can utilize the search and filtering feature. Here, I am filtering responses where the amount is more than 5,000. Editing responses is a breeze with Response Manager. 1. Click the edit icon. 2. This will open the submitted form, allowing you to edit and refresh the response in the Response Manager. Want to create a copy of a specific response? Click the clone icon, and the copy of the selected response will be added just below the original. If you need to remove a response, click the delete icon, and it will be deleted. Reprocessing is a useful feature that enables you to rerun your configured services for your selected form responses. Let's explore a couple of use cases for Response Manager. Imagine you have collected lots of form responses, and you're currently manually creating documents from them based on user responses. Now, you know about Form Director, which can automate this process upon form submission. But if you've already collected form responses, don't worry. You can use these form responses and set up a Form Director service to generate documents for you. Utilize Response Manager to reprocess the form responses. It's that simple. Just to showcase, I have set up the notification to my email ID. As service executions occur for each form response, I am receiving successful notifications. In another scenario, let's say you have a contract proposal form, and different parties fill out the form with various amounts. You want to award the contract to the party with the highest amount and generate a document for them while sending an acceptance email. For all other parties, you'd like to send an unsuccessful agreement proposal email as a polite response. How can you achieve this? You can use the Response Manager. First, check the form responses to find the highest amount. Then, in the Response Manager, select the response with the highest amount, create a document, and send an acceptance email for that specific form response. Finally, select all other responses and send rejection emails. It's a great solution. Response Manager is a versatile tool that simplifies managing your form responses, from sorting and searching to editing and reprocessing. It's a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their response management process. I hope you enjoyed it. We will catch up in another video, so take care and bye-bye.